Hey guys, and welcome back. This is another YouTube video which I've edited from Twitch, but what we're doing today is a wonderful piece of Scottish salmon, as you can see on my little camera here, which would be, I think, on my left hand side. We're doing it with Pak Choi, we're doing it with some lemon, ginger, garlic and some soy. It's going to be really simple, really quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you do, remember to like, so that's the big thumbs up down below, guys, and there's the subscribe button and there's a little bell. Please just click all those wonderful things and you'll be subscribed and you'll get all the notifications from all the up and coming videos. I hope you guys enjoy this. We've got the salmon here, so what we're going to do first of all is normally you would check to see if the salmon has any scales on it. So we're going to put it on our chopping board. We'll get rid of the plate, and what you do is you take the back of a knife, not the blade, the back of it, and you just run the knife along. And as you can see, or I don't think you can see, but a few scales are popping off. I'm just going to trim off the belly because that will overcook and that will go way too quick. But we're going to save it. We're not going to get rid of it. We're going to save it. So we're going to do a nice bit of salmon. So that'll be one person's. And that's two. And then we're going to save this bit. We're not going to throw it away. I'm going to use that. I'm probably going to turn it into like a salmon rillette of some sort. So I'm going to put a pan on a high heat to get ready. Okay, my pan's getting really hot, and we're just going to drizzle some olive oil in the pan. You could also use sesame oil if you wanted to. I put it in with the fat side facing me, and I use the tail going away. So when it hits the pan, the oil does not splash at me, guys. That's very important. You do not want hot oil splashing at you. It's not nice. Make sure you're always washing your hands, guys. A bit of salt on the fish. And what we're going to do is we're going to quickly sear the salmon. So we'll get colour all around, then put it on the skin side in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes just to cook it all the way through because we have got really thick. So I'm just going to flip my salmon onto its sides because what we want to do is we want to quickly sear all over the salmon. And salmon, you can have it cooked basically, I think, 3 ways. You can have it seared and raw, pink, or well done. We're just going to take the clove of garlic, smash him, and we're going to pop that in there. I love the smell of roasting garlic. And that's just going to go in the oven now. And my oven is set on about 180 degrees. Nice and quick in the oven. Okay, that's done. So what we want to do, we want to keep the root on, guys. And we're just going to literally go down, straight down the middle. That's simple. And we're going to pop him in the pan. Let's just do both of them. I love my Pak Choi. And because we're going to fry it, we're going to not fry this pan, sorry. We're just going to colour it in the pan afterwards. So we're going to get Pak Choi in here. So it's now in our saucepan. We're going to season the Pak Choi, so 2 nice helpings of salt. So we've just boiled the kettle, so there's our boiling water, and we're just going to pour it over our Pak Choi. So this will help cook the middle of the Pak Choi. So with the ginger, they always say the best way of peeling a ginger is with a teaspoon. We'll take this little knob off. I've literally got the most minutest bit of ginger in there. So we're going to put the lemon juice in there. There's about a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to add a tiny bit of soy. That's about half a tablespoon of soy. My olive oil. We'll do 2 tablespoons. Just want to mix that together quickly. Nice bit of olive oil. And again, like for the salmon, always put it away from you. So the fattest bit towards you and let it fall away from you, guys. So we're just going to add in, we're going to turn this off now. I'm going to add in my soy, lemon and ginger dressing. And so they've basically made a glaze around the Pak Choi. So you'll be able to see in the pan, you can see this white here. This is the protein coming out of the salmon. That means it's well done. So as you can see, we've got a beautiful roasting on our salmon to the Pak Choi. I'm actually quite happy I did the 2 because they are not massive. Making a mess on the plate. a pan roasted bit of salmon with Pak Choi and a ginger soy lemon dressing. And please remember to like and comment and subscribe down below. And thank you again. I will see you guys next time.